Hi, I'm Renée Gadar. I'm the Global Artistic Director of Texture with Aveda, and I'm here with Alicia because she's in a protective style. And what I want everyone to be conscious of is that when you're in a protective style, usually the problems that we encounter is clogged pores and some product buildup. And we want to make sure that Alicia is taking care of those things with Scalp Solutions. The first thing we'll do is use the Scalp Exfoliator. Whether you have box braids or you have straight backs, you want to saturate the product along the scalp. I'm also going to put it behind your ear. A lot of buildup ends up in these regions. And I'm going to put it along her hairline as well. And the next thing I'm going to use is the Scalp Massager. What this will do is disperse that exfoliator more, lift those impurities, unclog the pores, and remove all of that buildup. So Alicia, because you've shampooed and conditioned now and are moving right back into a protective style, what I want you to use is the protective mist on your scalp and then follow it with the Overnight Serum. So you want to make sure that you're opening up your hair, hold it back, and kind of focus on your scalp. Just the act of doing it massages this product like throughout your scalp. So once you've applied the protective mist, you're going to start working that Overnight Serum onto your scalp. So you just expose your scalp, 1 or 2 drops in the area, massage in. What this line helps you do is be able to consider your scalp and also take care of your hair. So we want to make sure, especially if you exercise a bunch, that you're spraying the Scalp Solutions Protective Mist to rebalance the scalp. After I use the protective mist, I'm going to follow with the Scalp Solutions Overnight Serum because this is kind of part of the night routine for me. It's all along her scalp and particularly into the back. I've massaged it in delicately. Her hair is being taken care of in a protective style, and now I know that her scalp is also being taken care of.